Blocs for the Mac has integrated support for a range of premium and open-source third-party content management systems. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly convert a Blocs project into a theme that can be used with Pulse CMS. First, we need to set the project's target CMS in the project settings. Click the main window title to quickly access the project settings pane. Now, click the icon with 3 dots located at the end of the Project Settings menu and use the first drop-down menu to set the Project Target CMS to Pulse CMS. Now that we have our Project CMS set, we can begin to create the areas that will be editable via the CMS dashboard once our site is live. To add our first editable CMS area to our website, press D on your keyboard to enter Drop Mode, and then press 0 to open the brick library. Using your keyboard, type Pulse into the search field to quickly find the Pulse CMS brick. Once the brick is selected, press the Escape key on your keyboard to exit the brick library and return to the Blocs canvas. Now, move the mouse cursor to the area of the page you would like to place the Pulse CMS brick and left-click to set it in place. Once your brick is set, press D on your keyboard to exit Drop Mode. The Pulse CMS brick is multifunctional. It can be used to add either an editable content block, a blog, or an email list. You can set the Pulse CMS object type using the drop-down menu labeled Object in the Blocs sidebar. The blog object adds the standard Pulse CMS blog element to a page, and the email list adds the standard Pulse CMS email sign-up form to a page. In this video, we're going to focus on the Pulse CMS editable content block object. Think of Pulse CMS blocks as containers. Whatever is placed inside of them will be editable via the CMS dashboard once the site is live. Now that we have our Pulse CMS brick in place, as long as it's set to be a block object, we can proceed to drag elements such as text and images into this container. When an element is nested in a CMS container, the object active marker will display as purple instead of blue. When clicked, the small lightning bolt icon located to the left side of the edit marker will activate and select the parent CMS container. Now that we have the parent CMS container selected, we need to give it a unique block ID so we can identify this area via the CMS dashboard. Using the block ID input field located in the sidebar, enter a unique text ID for this CMS area. An alternative way to add editable CMS areas to a page is with the Blocs contextual menu. Right-click any object and select Wrap in Pulse CMS block from the contextual CMS menu. This will wrap the selected object into a Pulse CMS block. It's important that we also give this second CMS container a unique ID. Our project is now ready to export. There are 2 options available for exporting our project as a Pulse CMS theme. The first is the dedicated export option found in the main menu under File, Export, Export as a Pulse CMS theme. The second is the standard export option also found in the main menu under File, Export, Export Project. Because we set the project's target CMS in the project settings at the beginning of this video, the standard export option now recognizes that we're building a theme for Pulse CMS and automatically alternates the standard export feature to create a Pulse CMS theme. Our project is now exported. Taking a look at the output, we can see Blocs has created the correct file structure for use as a Pulse CMS theme. Now that we have our Pulse CMS theme, it's time to upload it to a server that has Pulse CMS installed on it. You can upload a theme with any FTP app of your choice. This is the Pulse CMS dashboard. If I navigate to the Blocs menu option and click it, you will see the 2 editable CMS areas that we created in our Blocs project. The content in these areas can now be easily updated and saved via the Pulse CMS dashboard. There you have it. It's now possible to create powerful CMS-driven websites with Blocs.